The key to changing your world lies in the inner conversations you have with yourself. Neville Goddard. It doesn't matter what the world says. It doesn't matter how many obstacles seem to stand in your way, or how impossible your desire may appear. What you want, what you truly believe in, will come to you. It will find its way into your life, regardless of the opinions, the doubts, or even the active resistance of those around you. This is the truth of how imagination shapes reality, an unwavering principle that no external force can hinder. The journey of manifesting your desires begins with understanding that your imagination is the source of creation. Your world is a reflection of your inner state, of the beliefs and assumptions you hold as true. Many may try to convince you that the physical world is the only reality, that you must conform to its limitations. But the truth is, the physical world is nothing more than a shadow cast by your imagination. It is not the cause, it is the effect. Your thoughts, your assumptions, your inner dialogue, they are what create your life. Now, there will be times when it seems like everything is against you. You will face opposition, not only from others but from the conditions around you. People may tell you that your desires are impossible, that you are foolish for believing in something that seems beyond reach. The world may present you with circumstances that appear to contradict your desires. But this is where faith becomes essential. You must trust in the power of your imagination, even when everything around you suggests otherwise. Faith is not about ignoring reality, but about recognizing the deeper truth that lies beneath appearances. The moment you accept your desire as a fact in imagination, it becomes a reality in the unseen. It is only a matter of time before it hardens into physical form. But you must persist in that belief, even when doubt creeps in, even when others cast doubt on your dreams. Your faith must be greater than the evidence of your senses. One of the greatest challenges people face in manifesting their desires is the influence of others. Friends, family, and society at large often try to impose their beliefs on us. They may mean well, but their opinions are shaped by their own limitations, by the world they perceive through their senses. If they cannot see the possibility of your desire coming true, they may discourage you, perhaps even unknowingly. They may plant seeds of doubt in your mind, causing you to question whether what you seek is truly possible. But here is the crucial point: no one's opinion can alter your reality unless you allow it. The thoughts and beliefs of others have no power over you unless you accept them as your own. You must stand firm in your conviction, knowing that your imagination is the only creative power. If you maintain your belief in the face of opposition, the world will eventually conform to your desire. When you are met with resistance, when others try to dissuade you or circumstances seem to conspire against you, remind yourself that the power to create lies within. Nothing outside of you has the authority to dictate what you can or cannot have. Your imagination is sovereign, and it will bring you what you desire, as long as you remain faithful to it. Consider this: all great achievements, all breakthroughs in human history, were once deemed impossible by the majority. Yet, those who achieved them did not let the opinions of others deter them. They held steadfastly to their vision, even when the world seemed to oppose them. They understood that reality is malleable, that the impossible is only impossible for those who do not believe. In the same way, your desires will come to you, even if everyone else believes they are out of reach. The world will adjust itself to accommodate your vision, but only if you remain firm in your belief. This is the law of consciousness: what you believe to be true in imagination must manifest in your life. There is no need to convince others of your vision. You do not need to explain yourself or seek approval for what you desire. Your only task is to convince yourself, to nurture the belief that your imagination is the only reality. As you do this, the external world will begin to reflect your inner state, regardless of what others think or say. This brings us to another important point: you must practice the art of self-talk. What you say to yourself, in the privacy of your own mind, is far more powerful than any external opinion. If you tell yourself that your desire is impossible, that others are right and you are wrong, then you are accepting defeat. But if you speak to yourself with conviction, affirming that your desire is already yours, you will strengthen your belief and bring your vision to life. The truth is, the world will always have its opinions. People will always have their own beliefs, shaped by their experiences and limitations. But your reality is not dictated by them. Your reality is shaped by you, by what you believe, what you accept as true in your imagination. And when you understand this, when you truly grasp the power of your own consciousness, nothing and no one can stand in your way. Even if you stand alone in your belief, even if the entire world seems to be against you, your desire will come to you. It must, for it is law. The world is a mirror, reflecting the assumptions you hold within. If you hold steadfastly to the belief that your desire is already yours, the world will be forced to align with that belief. There is no greater power than your own imagination. It is the creator of your reality, the force that brings your desires into being. So, when you find yourself doubting, when others try to dissuade you, return to this truth: what you want has already been created in the unseen. It is already yours in consciousness. All you need to do is persist in that belief, and it will come to you, regardless of what anyone else thinks or says. Let the world have its opinions. Let others hold their doubts. Your task is to hold firm in your own belief, knowing that your imagination is the source of all creation. And when you do this, when you trust in the power within you, you will find that everything you desire comes to you, in perfect timing, no matter who or what stands in your way. When you understand that your reality is a direct result of your inner thoughts and beliefs, you begin to see how every aspect of your life can be transformed by adjusting your internal dialogue. It is this internal dialogue that shapes the outer world, influencing the people and circumstances that surround you. Recognizing this fact gives you unparalleled power over your experiences. The key lies in how you perceive your reality and how you communicate with yourself on a daily basis. Consider how often people allow external circumstances to dictate their emotions and reactions. When faced with adversity or opposition, it is easy to fall into the trap of responding from a place of fear or defeat. However, when you grasp that your internal state is the root of all external manifestations, you realize that your response to these challenges can either perpetuate the problem or shift the outcome in your favor. Your imagination is the tool through which you can reframe your experiences and create a new narrative that aligns with your desires. The art of self-talk involves more than mere positive affirmations. It requires a deep-seated belief in the reality you are creating. This belief is not just about repeating encouraging words but about living as though your desires are already fulfilled. Imagine acting and speaking as if your goals have been achieved. This mindset shifts your entire perspective and opens up new avenues for the manifestation of your desires. You start to notice opportunities and signs that align with your inner vision, and the world begins to reflect the new reality you are projecting. In this process, consistency and persistence are essential. The human mind is prone to skepticism and doubt, especially when faced with contrary evidence. It's natural to encounter moments where the external reality seems to contradict your internal beliefs. During these times, your task is to reaffirm your vision and stay committed to your inner narrative. Each time you reinforce your belief, you strengthen the foundation upon which your desires are built. This unwavering commitment allows your imagination to reshape the external world to match the reality you hold within. If you found this content valuable, show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Engaging with the content helps us reach more people who might benefit from these insights. Share this video with friends or family who might find it inspiring or useful. Your feedback and interaction mean a lot, so feel free to leave comments and let us know how these ideas are impacting your life. For more content like this, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. By subscribing, you'll be part of a growing group of individuals dedicated to personal growth and manifestation. Your support enables us to continue producing valuable content and sharing practical advice that can help you navigate the path to achieving your dreams. Let's build a space where knowledge and encouragement flow freely, and where everyone has the opportunity to explore their potential fully. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for additional tips, updates, and motivational content. Connecting with us outside of YouTube allows you to stay engaged and be part of ongoing discussions about personal development and success. Your participation makes a difference, so join us in this journey of discovery and empowerment. In summary, understanding how to effectively use your imagination and self-talk can be a game changer in achieving your goals. Trust in the process and stay committed to your vision. Your internal world has the power to shape your external reality, and by focusing on this alignment, you'll begin to see positive changes in your life. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content to support your growth and success.